Can you say trouble, Grace?
Trouble.
Who got in trouble?
Trouble. I got trouble.
Addie got in trouble?
Yeah.
What did she do?
Go. Pop.
She put poopy?
Pop. Yeah.
Yeah, she got in trouble.
Trouble.
You say trouble.
No.
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 Can you
Yeah.
can you, can you say truck?
No.
Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Nana?
Nana.
Gigi?
Daddy.
Mommy?
Matt.
Matt? How about Colby?
Cookie.
Trish?
Trish.
Debbie?
Dippy.
Avery?
Amy. Amy.
Say love you.
Bravo.
Kiss